Hello guys, welcome to Hard Reset. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the mopping pads in your ROBOROCK Qrevo Edge. You might actually think that this is some, advanced technology. And no, it's not advanced technology. It's easy. At first, turn your vacuum upside down, but carefully, so that you will see this thing over here. My vacuum is kind of dirty. Don't worry about that. And now, here as I can see, we have our mopping pads. Here, straight from here, you can see that I can move them up. Move them up straight from here, and just try to move them up actually from different angles, and it's here. Now, for example, let's assume that it is different. First, new mopping pad. Here, we just see this clicker over here, and we need to just try to push it here. It's mostly working on the magnets, but if magnets were working badly, we need to just pull it inside. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.